What if I told you the biggest threat to AI right now isn't regulation, isn't competition, it's electricity? Right now, behind the scenes, big tech is racing not for better AI, but for power. And the scary part, the world might not have enough of it. Because what's happening right now is something most people don't see. Entire regions are being reshaped just to keep AI running. And if this trend continues, it could change energy prices, economies, and even who controls the future of technology. Let's break this down. AI isn't just software. Every ChatGPT prompt, every AI image, every automation runs inside massive data centers, warehouse-sized facilities filled with thousands of servers. And these servers, they consume insane amounts of electricity. To give you perspective, training a large AI model can use as much energy as a small city, and a single advanced AI query can use 10 times more power than a Google search. Now multiply that by millions every second. Here's where things get serious. The demand for AI is exploding faster than infrastructure can keep up. Companies like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon are building new data centers at record speed, expanding into new regions, AMD locking in long-term energy contracts. But even that's not enough. In some areas, power grids are already under stress, new data center projects are being delayed, and governments are starting to step in. This isn't a future problem, it's happening right now. Let's talk about what this actually means. In places where data centers are booming, electricity prices are rising, local communities are pushing back, and water usage for cooling is becoming a concern. Yes, water. Because these data centers don't just use electricity, they need massive cooling systems to prevent overheating. And in some regions, AI infrastructure is competing with people for resources. So what are tech companies doing? They're entering a new kind of race. Not for users, not for algorithms, but for energy dominance. We're seeing direct investments in nuclear power, massive solar and renewable projects, and private energy deals most people never hear about. Some companies are even exploring building their own dedicated power plants. Let that sink in. Tech companies, generating their own electricity just to keep AI running. AI, here's where it gets deeper. If AI is the future, and power is what fuels AI, then whoever controls the energy controls the future of intelligence. This shifts the game entirely. It's no longer just about who has the best AI or the best data. It's about who has the most power, literally. Now imagine this scenario. AI demand keeps growing, but energy supply can't keep up. What happens? AI services become more expensive, access becomes limited, smaller companies get pushed out, and innovation slows down. And suddenly, AI isn't democratized anymore. It becomes concentrated in the hands of a few players who can afford the power. This is the part no one is really talking about. We're not just building smarter machines. We're building an entirely new layer of infrastructure on top of the global energy system. And it's happening fast. Faster than regulation, faster than public awareness, and possibly faster than the grid can handle. This is the part no one is really talking about. We're not just building smarter machines. We're building an entirely new layer of infrastructure on top of the global energy system. And it's happening fast. Faster than regulation, faster than public awareness, and possibly faster than the grid can handle. If you want to stay ahead of these hidden shifts that are shaping the global economy and technology, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And as always, this is not financial advice, just real insights you won't hear everywhere.